If you want to learn how to use some machinery and get to create brand new exciting things, then come join Computer Integrated Manufacturing.
So when students come into this class, they're going to learn a variety of different skills. They're going to start out with some manual machining. And then we're going to go to some CNC machining.
I like that I can get out of normal school and I can get my hands dirty, I can make something, and I can enjoy the process of making something.
I think this is a great class for anyone, not necessarily just if you're going into manufacturing, but no matter where you're going, this is going to give you a skill, and you can take the skill with you wherever you go.
If you're working on the lathe and don't really know how to use it, you can say, hey, I need some help over here, and they'll gladly, everyone is so nice, they'll come over and help you.
And if you're looking to get your start in using machinery and creating brand new things, then Computer Integrated Manufacturing is the place for you.